हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा टॉपिक है ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड यूरिनरी सिस्टम. It primarily consists of pair of kidneys which are placed in the abdominal cavity, and they are reddish brown colored, usually bean shaped, having a convex and concave faces. The dimensions of the kidneys: the length ranges from 10 to 12 centimeters, width 5 to 7 centimeters, and thickness 2 to 3 centimeters. These two kidneys, they get blood through respective renal arteries which branch from the dorsal aorta, and these renal arteries, they enter into the kidney. Each of the kidneys branch and rebranch, and in each kidney we have some 1 million nephrons, which is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Kidney has been, when we see the transverse section of the kidney, we can observe the outer tough region, which is called renal cortex, and the inner, which is known as medulla. And within the medulla, we can observe certain pyramids like structures called medullary calyx, and all of these medullary calyxes, they finally they open into a structure which is known as renal pelvis. Renal artery entering into a kidney branches and rebranches, and the final branch is known as efferent arteriole. This efferent arteriole enters into the structural and functional unit of kidney, the nephron, and the urine formation, when completed, is thrown into this renal pelvis. Renal pelvis then pours this urine through two tubes known as ureters. Each kidney has one ureter which collect the urine from the renal pelvis and temporarily store in a sac-like structure known as urinary bladder. Urinary bladder then has another tubular structure which helps in the removal of urine from the urinary bladder whenever we feel the need of that, by a process which is known as urination, also called micturition. Urethra at the end has certain sphincters or valves which are partially voluntary and partially involuntary. The action of such urethral sphincters helps in the removal of urine from the urinary bladder out of the body. In this way, the urine found in each of the kidneys is poured temporarily in the urinary bladder, and subsequently it is thrown out of the body by urethra. That's all for today.